How much steam pressure?
Just starting.
Okay. And how long ago did you light it?
10 minutes or so.
Oh.
10, 20 maybe.
Good coal.
Yeah, 20.
Yeah. Uh, 11:45 Sunday morning. The Mikado seems to be getting a good head of steam under the guidance of Chief Engineer Ed Jordan. He installed new brakes this morning, so he must be anticipating a good turn of speed.
Wow.
Good morning, Ed.
Good morning.
How are things looking this morning?
Well, things are getting hot, so we'll be on our way in a while.
Good.
Yeah.
Coal supply is holding up good for you?
I got enough for a while.
Okay, and what's your pressure at now?
Zilch.
Zilch, okay. Is that metric or imperial measure?
I think that's an imperial
Imperial
measure.
zilch, yeah. Let me have a look in your firebox, please.
Yeah, sure. Let's open up.
Oh yes, a good healthy fire there.
It's coming.
Right.
But so's Christmas.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have a blower on this morning, or is that just natural draft?
No, I'm using the air.
Oh, you have the air venturi in the funnel.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's very good. We'll catch up with you later when you're...
Wait to see us when we're running around.
After you've had your test run.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks very much, Ed.